Hello everybody and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 or more per day on YouTube. And I've never shown this method on this channel, so I hope you enjoy this video. So if you go to YouTube, there's obviously there's plenty of ways that you can make money on YouTube, and this method shows you an easy way that you can create videos and create a channel around copyright-free music. So if you go up to the search bar on YouTube and you type in copyright-free music, you can also type in royalty-free music. They're going to be the same thing. Royalty-free and copyright-free basically means that the music there's permissions that are given to you for the music that you can use it in a commercial way and make money off of the music. And you're not going to get copyright strikes on the music if you use it in your YouTube video. So that way you can monetize your video that you create and overall monetize your channel. So there are some important things that you need to know about this method if you're going to do it to make sure that you are able to monetize your channel. But just wanted to show you this. If you're into music, this would be a really great channel to create and a niche to get into to YouTube, because you're going to be dealing with music every time you make a new video, which is really fun. You know, if you're doing something that you enjoy, then you're going to be more likely to stick to a plan, and you're going to be more likely wanting to build your channel up and things like that, right? So in this case, copyright free music, and you can scroll down, you can just check out some different things, right? And you can look at different subscriber counts, you know, different size channels that you have, right? So if we open up this first one, best non-copyrighted music for 2020, so you know it's a new video that was created only 3 months ago. It already has 140,000 views. So we'll take a look at that. I've already pre-opened it because I didn't want to, it to take a long time to load or anything like that, right? So when we open it up, you notice that the channel has 72,000 subscribers, which is a nice, healthy channel. It's not the biggest channel, but it's also not a tiny channel anymore. But you can see they put together like a compilation of a 1 hour worth of songs, 1 hour worth of music, and each one of these kind of breaks means it's a new song. So there's some things you can do in the back end to make this happen. But you also don't have to do that. You can also upload one song at a time, and that will work for you as well. So if you look at their description, you can see that they tagged all of their each song, so you can go to it right away, and it's about 20 songs. And so the way that you would do this method, so what we want to do is, does this channel make money? And is it even monetized? Can you monetize these types of channels? Well, I pulled this up in incognito window. Okay. I'm kind of like a brand new, YouTube doesn't know I'm not logged in or anything like that. So I also have a premium YouTube account. So, if I'm signed into my account, then I'm not going to get any ads. So what I did was if you go to an incognito window, then it's going to, play it like it would play for anybody that doesn't have, the premium membership to YouTube. So as you can see, this is Best Non-Copyrighted Music 2020 1 hour copyright-free music, which is in fact the same video, right? So if you pull it up here, you'll see that there's an ad right here. So there's an ad playing. I'm trying to watch the video, but there's an ad playing. So we know that this is monetized channel, which is the first cross check that you want to do, right? You want to know if I'm going to put all this effort in and try to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so I can start making money off this channel. You want to know that you're going to be able to actually get approved to monetize. Now, when we push play here, notice something about this. Notice that there's like this, there's some flurry stuff going on in the background. Then there's all this activity going on right here. Well, I'm not going to show you how to do this particular video. I am going to show you how you can create a really cool video, because so this is why they're able to monetize, because this is this to YouTube moderators, this is actually considered a video and not a still image. Now, YouTube will not always approve you for monetization if you just put music on a still image background. So we don't want to do that. So I'm going to show you how to do this. But first, I wanted to show you, if we look up this channel in Social Blade, we can see, does this channel make money? So one, they're getting a nice grade, a B-. I consider anything a B- or higher, that they've done a really good job with the channel. They take into different factors: how many uploads you have, how many subscribers you were able to gain from those uploads, how many views you were able to gain, and that kind of gives you your grade. So if you look at this, it'll give you statistics. They're getting a ton of subscribers, they're getting a ton of views every day. They're getting 10 to 15,000 views per day. It looks like their average is right at 10,000. And about what they make per day. But if you go to Social Blade, now the rule of thumb, because they make different updates to Social Blade. And in the past, you kind of went split right in the middle. But what I'm finding with my research is that you always go with the high number at the bare minimum. And then in a lot of different channels and niches, you can multiply that by 2, 3, even up to 6 times more than what it says right here. So this is just an estimate. It's usually, it's usually very, very low of an estimate. And so, so if they're saying 1.2 thousand, I'm going to say that they're probably making about $3,000 a month from this channel. So if you take the 3,000, right? If you take the 3,000 that they're making per month, and you divide that by 30 days, right? That's $100. So you want to get to the $100 mark per day, and you'll be making about $3,000 a month from your YouTube channel. And then you could build multiple channels, right? And so that just shows you that they are making some good earnings just from the ads. That's not even counting any affiliate links that they're putting in their descriptions. So how do we do this, right? So I'm going to go back over here and see if I can find a smaller, a smaller, let's go over here to NCS maybe and grab something over here, because maybe they have just a one single song for us. This is 2 minutes 32 seconds. Okay, so this will be a good, and see how they're doing that too. It means that this is considered a video to YouTube because there is some activity. This is matching the music, and so it's interactive for the viewer, and they're not just looking at an image, right? So that's important. So I'm going to show you how you can put this stuff together real quick. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take the link up here, and we're going to go to a place called ytmp3.cc. It's a YouTube to MP3. Just type in YouTube to MP3 on Google, and you'll find this site. We're going to convert this, and it's going to go ahead and grab that song. It's going to check the video, and it's going to just take the music, the audio from this video. It's going to convert it, and then we're going to have a nice MP3 file. So you already have it now. We're going to push download, and it's already going to come drop into the box down here. So we have the audio. We already know we have the commercial rights to use this music. It's copyright free commercial music. There are some ads that might pop up. Just be careful with those. And then I'm going to go to my favorite editing software. And if you're interested in this software is just amazing. I have like every software that you can get, and this is my go-to software on a daily basis. It's called WeVideo. I'll drop a link in the description. You can check it out. You can get a free trial. But what makes this unique is you're going to see this in a minute, how there's no other software out there that can do what this software can do. So it's very, very fast. It's a very great software editor. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out real quick. And while that's going on, let's just go ahead and I'm going to go over here to stock media. And this is what, that's how fast it is. So I'm going to grab that. I'm going to go ahead and throw the audio in here, right? And when we push play, we've got our music now, right? Okay. So now we have a little over 2 minutes, but now what we want to do is we want to get some imagery, some stock video. Now you can fill this. This is what makes and separates WeVideo from any other software. And even you might be some Content Samurai / Vidnami users, which I like that software for different things. That one's good for if you're converting a large amount of text to a video. Now, I prefer that one. But this one, for this kind of video, WeVideo is going to just be better than any other software. That's just my recommendation, because you have millions of stock images and video that you can put into your video. So if you were going to do this and you had, let's say you have Camtasia, you can do this. You have any other Power Director, you have all kinds of other different softwares, video editing softwares. You're going to be doing a lot more work. It's not as efficient. And here's why. You would have to go over to Storyblocks and get a membership for $200 a year. And then you're going to have to go in there and search for every video and search for a bunch of different stock videos. Keep a massive folder on your computer. It bogs your folders on your computer down as well. And then you're going to have to upload all those to your editing software. And suddenly this, make a 2-minute YouTube video turns into an entire day project. And believe me, I've been there before. And I know that's why I know how to, I've experienced that time and time again. So what makes WeVideo awesome for this is that you're able to do full video editing, just like Camtasia or any other popular editing software. But you also have millions of video assets built into the software where they're hosting it. And you can just search for a keyword up here. So right now, just for fun for this, I'm going to say nature. We're going to type in nature and we're going to get hundreds or thousands of videos that we can just go ahead and dropping in here, right? So you can just drag and drop. You can click on it and it'll just it'll show you what's going on, right? And I'm just going to grab, these are just amazing, right? And I would like, let's see if I can go to filter, sound effects, graphics. Yeah, you can filter it by that. And you can also, it doesn't look like you can filter by time, but really, so like here's a really cool one, right? So this one is 53 seconds. So that'll buy us a lot of time, and you can push play and it's a time lapse. I mean, look at this. So it's a background video and it's great. This is exactly what YouTube wants you to do. Here's another 52-second video. So we can fill this up so quickly and make our video, super, super quickly. Right? And we're just going to fill in, I'm going to come down here like that. And we just need a little bit more. Here's another 30 seconds right here. Boom. And look at that. It is perfect. You can match that out right there. You can also go in here and add some transitions. Just add a basic cross fade or a cross blur, and you can grab those transitions and throw them in here, right? Just to make the video kind of more fun for whoever's watching it, which is nice to do. Whoops, need to put that there. Move this back over because it didn't get put over there. And then we just need one more, right? Stock video nature, and we'll just grab a short one if we can find one. It's got some really nice long ones. We'll just go here and see how easy it is to do this. We're going to just drag that over, close, and now you've got your video. How long did that take? I did that right. This part was pretty much unscripted in the video. We opened up WeVideo. We went and downloaded we researched and then we downloaded our song. We came over here to WeVideo. We popped it in there real quick. It ends up right here. And then we threw in these. This is what makes this software so brilliant, is that you're able to get, throw these in here and make unique videos very quickly. And then now this is what the viewer is going to see. They're going to see, wow, this is pretty cool. I can listen to this. Is this the song I want? Wow, this sounds really good. I think that will work for the project I'm working on. And they'll listen to it. Some people will listen to the whole thing because they really want to hear it because it's an important project. They want to hear the entire song, make sure that it's perfect for their project. So they're going to watch it. And this is good because I'll at least have something to look at while they're listening to it. But this will also make sure that you are able to, pass YouTube moderation criteria, right? So now you just take this, you push finish, and you title your video and you set it and download it and then go back to YouTube and upload it. And you create your channel and you do this on a daily basis. You know, you're going to get, just like any YouTube channel, it's going to take some time to build up. But look at all those channels that have 50,000 plus subscribers and they're making money, $100 a day on YouTube. This is a great method. And I hope you enjoyed this method. If you're interested in WeVideo, which is my go-to editing software, check out the link in the description. I'm going to wrap this video up. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments below. If you have a video suggestion or a topic you'd like me to make a video on, leave it in the comments section, and I greatly appreciate your engagement. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss my next video. I will see you next time.